Looking to make some serious passive income? Well, let me show you how Pinterest affiliate marketing can get you earning up to $10,000 per month without spending any money. And don't worry if you're new to Pinterest. This strategy is perfect for beginners. Not only will you be making money, but you'll also be growing your Pinterest account in the process. Optimize Pinterest account. The first step you need to do is to optimize your Pinterest account. Head over to Pinterest and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking Sign Up. You can see this is my account. To optimize it, you have to edit it. Click Edit Profile, and you can make changes here. Feel free to enter your name as usual in the first name section. Then, in the last name section, type in the specific niche that you've decided to focus on for your affiliate marketing journey. I have chosen a fashion niche, so I have typed fashion in my last name. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. In the About section, include some keywords related to your niche. I have typed fashion trends, clothing and outfit ideas. All of them are high-ranked keywords. Next, it is essential to have a profile picture to catch people's attention. To achieve that, you have the option to design a logo. Head over to Canva and type logo in the search bar. You'll be amazed at the wide variety of templates available for you to choose from. Click whichever logo design you like. Then type your name instead of the default one showing. You can change the background color and font if you want. Click Share and select PNG to download it. Go back to Pinterest and click on Change. Upload your logo and click Save. Your profile is now optimized. Find affiliate offers. There are many different affiliate networks, but I will share a method where you can find the best affiliate offers that pay around a 10 to 15% commission. Go to Google and type Fashion Affiliate Programs. You can search whichever niche you choose, add affiliate programs after it. Click on one of the results. This article provides a lot of helpful information about different affiliate programs. You can also check how much commission they pay. Click on any program you choose, and it will direct you to its site. Sign up for free and get your affiliate link. So whenever someone visits and buys something from my affiliate link, I will receive a commission. This is how you will make money from your affiliate link. Create an article. To promote your affiliate offers, you have to drive traffic. To achieve this, it's important to create an optimized article for search engines. Go to Writesonic, which is a free AI tool you can use to create an article. Click on Get Started for free to begin and avail yourself of the various AI services it offers. Then, click on Article and Blog Writer and choose AI Article Writer 5.0. In Topic, type 10 stylish winter outfit ideas and click Search Articles. It will provide reference articles. You can click on them to check out the article that will be used as a reference for yours. Click Next. Then, it will ask for additional information and keywords for the article. I am typing affordable and stylish in keyword, and I will leave additional information area blank. Click on Generate Article. You can check out how this AI tool creates SEO-optimized articles. One cool feature of this AI tool is that it creates articles with relevant images, giving an attractive look. Once you have the article written, right-click to copy it. Post on Medium. When you have the article with you, it's time to post it where you can drive traffic. Medium is a great platform with millions of articles on various topics. It attracts many readers who regularly visit and engage with the content. I also highly recommend Medium because it gets traffic in 2 ways, from the platform and Google search. This is why Medium articles are often ranked. Click on Get Started on the top, then click on Sign Up with email and create your account. On the top right, click Write. Then paste the article you copied before. Now you have to add your affiliate link to the article. Since we're talking about clothing products in this article, you can add your affiliate link below the first product mentioned. This way, readers can easily click on the link to buy it. Scroll down until the first product is explained and press enter. Type "click here to access this product" and select it. Click on the bold icon to make the text highlighted. Then click on the insert link icon and paste your affiliate link. By having this call to action, readers can easily click on it, and it will take them to a page where they can make a purchase. So, whenever they buy a product, you earn a commission. To publish this article, you only need to click on Publish at the top. Add a few topics related to your article, then click Publish again. The article is now published and live, which means it will start gathering some traffic. Create a pin on Canva. Once the article is published, you must create a pin for Pinterest. Go to Canva and click on the search bar, type Pinterest pin and press enter. When you're browsing, you'll find a variety of templates that you can select and edit. Otherwise, you can create your own template. I liked this template, so let's edit it. It already has a text. Click on it and type the article's title. Adjust the text in the middle and the size of the font. Once you have designed the pin, click Share, then Download and select PNG as the file type to save it on your computer. Post on Pinterest. The last step is to post the pin and the article's link on Pinterest. Go to Pinterest and sign into your account. Click Create on the top left. Then upload the pin you saved. In the title section, go back to the article, copy the article's title and paste it here. Do the same with the description section. Copy the article's first paragraph and paste it into the description box. There is a link section where you have to paste your article's link. Click Publish and your pin will be shown to the people. When someone comes across your Pinterest pin, they can click on the linked article. As they read through the article, they'll notice the compelling call to action text. And with just one click, they'll have the option to purchase some fantastic products. This is how you will earn a commission. I'm sharing this strategy with you so that you can also start making money. But in the end, I have a small tip for you. If you have just started Pinterest affiliate marketing and have 0 followers on your account, you can use some paid services from Fiverr or any freelance platform. This can be a great way to grow your Pinterest account naturally. They have a network of accounts with a good number of followers, so they will send some traffic to your account by giving a shout out. Start growing your Pinterest account with this tip and follow this strategy. With time and consistency, you can start making money in over a few months. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.